All right, so let's begin today's session, children. So all of you open your Tinkercad so that you try and follow along with us. All right, let's make sure that you all complete while we are also doing.
So, good evening to all of you. So, again, welcome to our session. And yesterday, in the previous session, we have learned about the basics of Tinkercad. So, how we have to registers and the different tools which we are going to use today for designing a national flag. So, again, if you have not logged in, you can log in to your Tinkercad dashboard, and after login you have to now go to the create new design. So again I am going to create a new design. So so it will take a little bit time. So basically now what we do, we will use today a new command, that is align command, and it will be very helpful to align the different objects with the other one. So first we will do by changing the name. We can change the name, like we can just write national flag, so that we can name our design like national flag. You can change your name from here also. So again we are going to first we I have divided this session into three parts. So first we will draw the flag, triangular flag, and then we will make a stand, and then a pole, supportive pole to for a flag. So for that we are going to take a box and we will convert it into the cuboid. Let's take it like this. You can just drag it to the work plane. So work plane is basically what where we have to drag the designs. So let me take the length is about 80 and the breadth will be all right to 20. So you can change the height so that will be get flattened. So I'm just taking it like 5. You can take it like 5. So it will be like this. So this is the first part of our flag, and now we can just select the color like saffron color. So it will be like this. So students, now I am going to use a duplicate command, so that it is not required to again drag the figure on the work plane and again change the dimensions. So just simply select the figure and just go to the duplicate, or you can use the command control D. So you can also control D command you can use, and simply just drag it to the blue side like this. So this is the second part. Again select the figure and again choose the command control D, and you can just drag it to the upward. So we have three part of our flag. So that will be our saffron one, and it will be, I am going to change it to the white colors so
Ajay, I'll
that
just interrupt over here. For this is
yes,
just for students' knowledge. By the way,
yes,
the ratio for our flag is 3:2. All right, in the
yes, sir,
sense
3 raised to 2.
3:2. Like the 30% should be your width and 20% should be your height.
Height.
Fine. So if you want to really design the flag as per the guidelines of our Indian Constitution, then the width and the height should be in the aspect ratio of 3:2. All right.
Yeah,
So please, you can go ahead, Ajay.
yeah, thanks, sir. So this is the upper part of our flag, that will be of saffron color, and now we are going to select the middle one, and we will just select the white color. So you can just select it like this, and the lower part be of green color. So you can choose the color from here. So it will be like this. So now we have three parts of equal dimensions, you can see. So duplicate command is used to make a duplicate copy, and it reduces the efforts to change the dimension of each and every shapes. From this is clear to all, I think. If student you have any confusion, you can raise your hand or you can text your confusion on the text message. So now,
So have all of you completed till this part? We'll wait otherwise. We'll wait.
yeah,
Okay, nice, Pramila. So you have done.
yeah,
So once we get
okay.
yeses from a couple of more students, we'll go ahead.
So
Okay,
okay,
done.
done.
Uttama is done. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, so Uttama is not
So
Uttama. It is some Akash Chaudhary. Okay, sorry, Akash.
okay. So I think most of the students have done.
Yes, let's go ahead, Ankit.
So yeah. So now we are. I'm going to attach these three with each other, and again we will use the group command to make it one figure. So you can just simply drag it. Just select this and simply drag it to the downward and attach, and just make it uh, like this. And select the green one part and simply drag little one so that dimension will be make it clear. Okay, so now the three parts have been attached to it. Also, if you want to see the dimensions, like how much part you have entered to the other body, एक body से दूसरी body के अंदर कितना part गया है, so you can just select it, like you can just select it and you can just choose the hollow one. So it will be like this, कि आपको ग्राफिकल एक रिप्रेजेंटेशन मिल जाएगा आपको hollow shape, कि आपका जो शेप है उसी शेप में how much he has entered, so it can be easily seen. So you can also select the whole one and just make it clear like this. So again you can just select and make it solid, and the figure will get appear like this. So again now I want to make it a solidify so that the each part will attach with each other, ताकि सभी जो parts हैं वो एक दूसरे से जुड़ जाएं. So again I am going to select the whole figure. यहाँ से हमने पूरे figure को select किया like this. Okay, so you can just select the whole figure, and again just use the group command. So you can use Control G or simply you can click on the group command. So the figure will get a unified. Okay, so the figure will get a unified and have a single color. You can just choose again and go to solid one if you want to get the pre colors. ठीक है, जो आपके जो पुराने colors थे अगर आप उनको चाहते थे, so again you can just choose the multi colors so that the figure will get its own color. So what is this? So this is the we can say frame of our national flag we have just made. So we can now just drag it to the upside so that we will get the space for our spokes. Okay, now we are going to design a spokes that will come on the center of the white part. So here we can choose a figure like ring. So you can go for with the ring also, and you can choose other part also if you are having the designs. So torus also maybe an uh, option. So I'm just using the ring part. So again I am going to change the dimensions. So just click on the figure like this and just change its dimension. Just I am going to use it like 20, 20.
Ajay, let's just address somebody has raised a hand. Ryan wants to ask a
Okay.
question.
Okay.
Ryan, please go ahead.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Please go ahead.
Yeah.
Sir, when I was looking at all the colors, sir, the color became green, sir. So how should I again return, sir, become normal again?
Okay. You have used the group command. After using the group command, your color will get green.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So you can just select the figure. Okay. आप फिगर को select करेंगे and just go to the solid one. आपने solid color में जाना है and just use the option multicolor. Okay. आप जैसी multi color का option choose करेंगे, the color will get appear as it was in the previous one.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Anybody else has a doubt at this point of time? We can wait. Okay, Ajay, I think we can go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. So you can just change the dimensions according to the width of your white one. So I am just going to make it like 20 comma 20, so that, or you may just make it like 19. Okay, so that it will not go to the sides of the white one. So I am just going to use 19 comma 19. Okay. So for now, for spokes, so you can choose the slender. Okay, so the slender shapes you can choose and just simply drag it on the work plane, and now the slender will appear on the work plane. So now I am going to choose the sorry, I want to change the dimensions of the slender. So I am going to make it like 19.5, or you can use 19.3 like this. Okay, so like 19.3. Okay, so you have to change it the width, sorry, the diameter of the cylinder. You can choose like 0.5 and 0.5, so that it will get the thin. Okay, so I can zoom it, so it will be visible. So you can change its height. Okay, so I'm taking the height according to the diameter of this circle. So if your diameter of circle is 20, so you can take it like the dimension, you can choose a 20.1, so that after grouping it will get into the figure of the circle one. ठीक है ना, जैसे ही आप इसको ड्रैग करेंगे और इसमें जब आप ग्रुप कमांड देंगे तो इजीली तरीके से अटैच हो जाए, इसीलिए हम 0.1 0.2 जो लेंथ है इसकी हम बढ़ा के लेंगे. सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग इट लाइक, हमने यहाँ पे 20 लिया था, तो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज इट लाइक 20.1. ओके, सो नाउ आई वांट द स्पोक्स टू बी अ फ्लैटेंड ऑन द वर्क प्लेन, ताकि वर्क प्लेन में फ्लैट हो जाए. सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज द एंगल कमांड. सो आई विल मेक इट एंगुलर changes. So I am just using the angles. So just simply select the figure. अपने figure select करना है like this, and simply go to the angle and just type 90 degree, so that it will be flattened on the work plane like this. Okay, so just bring it near to the circular path, or we can say circular part, and just so when you will click on the align command, the options will appear like this. तो options कुछ इस तरीके से appear होंगे. सो अलाइन कमांड बेसिकली क्या होती है कि दो फिगर्स को एक पर्टिकुलर शेप में, और वी कैन से पर्टिकुलर डायमेंशंस में अलाइन करना है. So if I choose the center one, अगर मैं ये वाला बटन क्लिक करेंगे, so the circle will get on the stick. So again just choose the align command. The stick will get on the center one, and little bit I want little bit it to be upside, so it will get up like this. I can just show you by making it zoom. So is the align command is clear to all? Align command clear हो गई है?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so you
sir.
can, yes.
Yes, sir.
No,
So
sir.
now,
Yes, sir.
okay, so you can just change.
I think Ajay, somebody was unclear on the align
Okay,
command.
okay, so I can just make it redo options. Okay, so like हमारे पास कोई भी दो फिगर हैं and we have to align it to the center of the circle. So I am going to select both figure. मैंने select दोनों फिगर किए and make sure कि आपका जो blue color है outings जो है blue color आ जाए, so that it will be easy to understand that what you have selected, कि आपने क्या select किया है. So again just click on the align command. हमने align command में click करना है और you can just simply type L to the keyboard. So align command will be like this. So according to whenever I am just clicking or making a cursor on the points, जैसे ही मैं cursor लेके आ रहा हूँ तो एक imaginary images आपको appear होगी like this. अगर जैसे ही मैंने ये किया तो stick क्या है right hand side में आ रही है, and if I am using this one तो जो circular part है वो आपका थोड़ा सा drag होके center में आ रहा है. So I want कि मेरा जो सर्कुलर पार्ट है वो सेंटर में आ जाए, तो सेंटर विल बी लाइक दिस. एंड नाउ अब क्या है, अब मेरे को चाहिए कि जो हमारी जो स्टिक है इट विल गेट टू द सेंटर. अब मैं जैसे ही इसको क्लिक करूंगा लाइक द मिडिल वन, जो स्टिक है वो सेंटर में आपको इमेजिनरी पिक्चर जो है वो आपको दिखाई देगी. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू सिलेक्ट इट लाइक दिस. एंड नाउ आई वांट कि स्टिक थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठे, अपर पार्ट में हमारा जो सर्कुलर फिगर है उसके थोड़ा सा अपर पार्ट में हमारे पास ऑब्जर्व हो. So I am just going to select the upper one. This point is upper one, so I am going to use this one. So कुछ इस तरीके से हमारा upper part में फिगर दिखाई देगा. Okay. Now, did anybody have any confusion or queries? You may ask.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, okay,
No, sir.
okay. So like this. So also you can just change simply dimensions like this, so that it will get towards the inside. Okay, just simply select the stick and just drag it to the inside one. So basically it will it is on the center one, and now we have to just make the 24 spokes. So for this I have a easy trick. So what we will do, so just simply select the spoke. Okay, simply हम क्या करेंगे, spoke को select करेंगे, and now we will use the control D command, that is duplicate and repeat. तो हमने duplicate and repeat लिया, फिर हम दोबारा से फिगर में आएंगे and we have wait, let me zoom out. So we have a angular, so हम यहाँ पे एंगल्स में क्लिक करेंगे और हम सिंपल से यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे and now just type 15 डिग्री. तो हम क्या करेंगे, 15 डिग्री को रोटेट करेंगे, that is 360 divided by 24 spokes, that will be 15 degree to each spoke. Okay, so just simply enter it. Okay, so simply आपने क्या करना है, एंटर कर दिया and 15 डिग्री में एक दूसरा स्पोक हमें मिल जाएगा. So again just select it. Okay, फिर से हम क्या करेंगे, इसको select करेंगे and again duplicate command. Okay, so that command will get okay, wait, let me zoom it. Simply हमने क्या करना है, let me repeat it. Okay, so we can just choose the undo options. So we have to select the spoke like this. So it is taking time to select. Okay, we can just redo and undo one step, and simply you can just zoom it. So just select Control D options and make an angular deflection from here. So that will be of 15 degree. Okay, so 15 degree. Again, just use Control D command. So it will copy it itself like this. The spokes will appear like this. So you have to make a 24 spokes. Now I think the 24 spokes has been made like this. So is it clear how you have to make the spokes, 24 spokes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the easy command. You have to select the spokes and then select the Control D command, and give the command to change it angular deflection like be a 15 degree. Okay, so 15 degree will be easily rotate and give you the 24 spokes. You can count also on the uh, sticks. Okay, so just simply I want to be a blue color. Okay, so just simply I am going to just drag it. Okay, so just simply select it. Okay, and I want to make it group. Okay, so that it will be get unified, ताकि ये क्या हो जाए unified हो जाए. So again I am just going to use group command. So after using the group command, it will take little bit time and it will get group. Okay, so like this. So again select it and just I'm going to, so it will little bit hanging. Okay, so just select it and change, you can change its color, you can change its color to blue one. Just select, go to solid one and just make it blue color like this. And simply you have to, again I want to be drag it to the center one. So just select this figure. Okay, you have to select the figure like this and just simply drag it. Also you can use the align command here. Okay, so you can use the align one. So you can just simply drag it to the center one. Also you have to just make it clear like it will move little bit upward like this. Okay, so Control Z, just select it and move it to the center one like this. Okay, and again you can just zoom it and you can adjust the center part like according to yourself how much elevation you want or how much upside you want. So you can choose it according to yourself. So it will be like this, and again we are going to just use the group command so that it will get inside the flag and make a unified figure. So again I choose the group command and it will be like this, and again it will take time to be get group. Okay, so now you can drag the whole figure like this. So this is the flag part. Okay, so this bluish one is the shadow दिखाई दे रही है इसीलिए थोड़ा सा like this. You can just see closer to it like this. Okay, all right students.
At this point, we can take a pause.
Yeah.
Has I mean, this sunk in? Have you all been able to complete till this part? I have a feeling many of you are stuck in the spokes. Or have you all completed it?
No, sir, I'm stuck.
Sir, I'm still brings.
Okay. So you'll have to tell us exactly at what point you are stuck in spokes. I mean, the 15-degree angle you are stuck at, or what you are stuck at?
Sir, I'm going to finish this box.
Okay, you are finishing
Okay.
the spokes. What about others? Anyone who's stuck in just getting the first spoke?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, very easy.
Okay.
Okay,
So
good.
some of you are fluent. That's what I was saying, Akash. Some of you are fluent with, I mean, Tinkercad. But for a person who's fresh to this, he might have a little bit of trouble
Yeah,
because the plane keeps on rotating, right? It can be irritating at some point of time.
yeah. Sometimes it takes a time to group or align.
Right, right. So, Nirak, what do you want us? Do you want us to show the ring and one spoke again, or you have got that part done?
So my cylinder is big and my that round thing is small, sir.
Okay, so it's basically to do with the dimension part. I don't know if you
Dimensions.
were. So Ajay, can you just quickly show
Yeah,
them the
yeah.
dimension part?
Okay, okay. Yes. So you have to take a ring from here. Okay, so you can take a ring. So again, you can just change the dimensions. You have to select the ring like this.
So
And you
Nirak,
can just,
remember you are at 20 mm. Okay, so everything will be now smaller than 20 mm because you have to fit it inside.
yeah.
All right.
So you can just take it 20, 20. So
20,
it will be
20
like,
is an exact fit. It will just fit in
yeah,
that white
it
part.
will exactly. Yeah. If you want to make a smaller, you can just take 19.5 also, so that it will be easy to.
Okay,
visible.
so 19.5 is a good, because usually when we are doing 3D printing, we'll keep that much margin. Right? We'll not make it exact fit. We'll keep some margin for the areas to for the pointer to move. All right.
Yeah. So the next thing is you have to take a cylinder from here. Okay, so you can just change the dimensions of, we can set the diameter. So that diameter you will take the 0.5. Okay, so just simply select it, just make it 0.5, or you can just take a 0.7, 0.6 also. So I'm just going to take it like 0.5. So it will get little bit thin like this.
Nirak, till this part it's fine.
Sir,
Sir, after the meeting, I will send you.
Sure, sure. No, I'm just
Okay.
confirming from Nirak. Is it fine till this part?
sir, can you repeat how to reduce the diameter?
Okay.
Okay,
So
okay,
just,
okay. So just I'm going to delete it. Okay, so you have to select the cylinder. अपने यहाँ से cylinder select करना है, and just after clicking on the cylinder, the boxes of corner will appear. इस तरीके के कुछ box हमारे पास appear होंगे, and you have to just simply click on the corner box. आपके
Okay.
पास जो white color के box दिख रहे हैं उसमें आपने simply click कर देना है यहाँ पे like this. And जब भी
Okay.
आप click करेंगे तो आपको फिर यहाँ पे जाना है, और यहाँ पे हम फिर 0.5 यहाँ पे डायमेंशन लेंगे, दोनों साइड इक्वल लेना है क्योंकि ये सर्कुलर है. ओके, सो इसका डायमीटर जो भी है सर्कुलर फॉर्म में है. सो 0.5 फ्रॉम बोथ साइड, सो इट विल बी लाइक दिस. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you can from here you can just change its height also. Okay, so I am just taking it like 19.5. You can take it 19.5.
Okay, sir.
Okay, after changing its heights, you can change its angular. Okay, so that it will be flattened on the work plane. So you can just make it 90 degree, and it will be get on the work plane like this. Okay,
Okay,
till now
sir.
it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so again I am going to use a alignment command. So select the both figure. Okay, you have to select both figure like this. Okay, so go to your alignment command that is on the right top, or you can just simply type a L or from the keyboard. So simply just select it like this one. Okay, so that the circle and the stick will get on the with each other. And again you have to select the center one, and you have to select this one so that it will get like this. So I will make it zoom. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so for multiple spokes, the procedure is select the spoke. You have to simply select and just go to copy, control D, duplicate command. Okay, just simply click on the duplicate command, come again with the stick to the stick, and just type on these arrows. Okay, so just simply write on here. Okay, wait, select control D and angle, and we have to rotate it to the 15 degree. Okay, so like this. Okay, so after typing a 15 degree, you have not to touch any, or you have to not click on the work plane. आपको plane में click नहीं करना है. So directly you have to click on the duplicate command. फिर आपने direct duplicate command में click करना है, और इस तरीके से spokes जो होंगे अपने आप ही duplicate होते रहेंगे 15 डिग्री के angles में. And जब तक आपके 24 spokes बनेंगे, you have to just make it clear like this. So the central part will be like this. Okay, so I am just making it a zoom. You'll get this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just select the figure so that the spokes and circular part will get with each other, and just make a group command so that we like this. Okay, so again I am going to use the color, like I am going to choose blue color, so the blue color will be like this. Is it okay? So you can drag it. फिर आपने इसको drag करना है. So I am just going to, so okay, so this part we have done. Okay,
So
okay,
basically, children, this is the difficult part. Now it's all simple part after this, right? So we can move, I think.
okay, sir. So let me drag this one. Drag me this one out, and just you can drag it inside the center like this, and you can just make it little bit down. So just make it the figure. I want to make it delete. So the figure will be like this. You can adjust it. Also, you can change the dimensions after making a solidify figure. Okay, so you can just make it like here. You can change its dimensions also. Let me change to 19.5 here. Okay, 19.5. from here and 19.5 from here. Okay, so that it will be good to see. Okay, so the figure will be like this. Okay, so again I am going to choose, okay, let me control Z. So just select the whole figure. Okay, and again I'm going to use group command. So the first part we have completed, that is the designing of flag. Now the remaining part is making a stand of national flag. So you now the steps are simple. Okay, so you can just make it like this and just select it and choose. You can choose a multicolor from here. Okay, yes it is. Okay, so now you can just simply drag the cylinder from here. The cylinder drag करना है and then just make the height of the cylinder. Okay, so up simply I am going to change it dimension like 10,10. So that, okay, so the circular path, so that it will be good to see. Okay, so also you now we on you can change its height to like 80. That will be 8 centimeter. Okay, so that it is 80 mm and it will be 8 centimeter. So again I am just going to choose a 90 degree. फिर से मुझे flat चाहिए on the work plane. So it will be on the work plane and just simply just I am going to select it. Okay, so if you see the figure like this कि जो कुछ figures हैं जो work plane से थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठ जाते हैं, ठीक है. So how you can just drag it to the work plane. आपको work plane में कैसे करेंगे? Simply आपने choose करना है figure and just click D on the keyboard, drop, that is drop. ठीक है ना, जैसे ही आप D कमांड देंगे आपको, so ये drop हो जाएगा on the work plane. Okay, so you can change its, so this is okay, so I am just going to make it 5,5. So like this. Simply just carry it to the work plane.
Sir, I have made.
Okay, you have made. Okay, so I'm
Yes,
just
sir.
going
That
to change the
only this
dimension.
stick design is only left, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Okay,
great.
so
Great.
you can choose it and just make it angular deflection like this one and drag it from here and just move it to the flag one. Okay, so you can just see the top side. Okay, like this. So according to a figure, you can just adjust the length of the pole, supporting pole. Okay, so this is the figure. Is it okay? So I think we have not just changed the color of flag. Okay, let me take. Okay, so we can just change it later on. Okay, so just simply select it. We have to change the color of spokes. That will be blue one. Okay, just simply select the figure and ungroup. Just change, select the center one, and I'm just going to use blue one. Okay, now select the figure. Okay, so only this figure, and I'm going to group it. So now it will be on blue color, I think. Okay, so this is our national flag with the supporting pole. Now we have to just make a base. So on base, so that it will get support. Okay, so again select it and choose the multicolor like this. Okay, so if you want to change its dimensions, you can just select it like 100 120. That will be 12 centimeter by the scale. Okay, so it will be like this national flag. Okay, just select it and just group that figure. Is it okay?
Yes,
Till
sir.
now, till now the things are clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I'm going to make a support, or we can say base support. So you can choose any diagram from here. Okay, so I am just using the half sphere. Okay, so I will show, you can choose the multiples diagram also. So just select, I am selecting half sphere. You can choose the dimensions. Okay, right now it is 2020, it is okay. So like this. Okay, so now I want to make it stand like this on the work plane. So just select the figure and just select this one and rotate it to the 90 degree, 90. The flag will be like this. And just select the figure and again select, type D from the keyboard. Okay, so the flag will get upside on the work plane. Like this. Just simply select it, D command. So the flag will be like this. Okay, now I want to just attach this supporting pole on the this one. So I am going to just drag it to the surface. So we can just zoom it. Okay, so also you can just use again, you can just use the alignment command. So just simply select the two figure and go to the alignment and just select this center part. Okay, let me zoom it. So just simply select the two figures. Okay, just go to the alignment and simply just make it aligned. Okay, it is not getting to. Okay, so you can just choose it again, you can just select. So it will take little bit time. Okay, so choose the alignment command, just simply do it here and select this one, just drag it to the center. Okay, you can just see. Okay, so I think the copy command has been given, so you can just select it and make it delete. So the figure will be like this. Again, for the 3D printer we are going to use, okay, so the figure will be like this. Again select it, okay, and just make it group so that the stand or the support, base support will also. Okay, so okay, so this figure is not aligned with it, so you can choose it from here also and just make it like this and just select the figure and group it like this and just drag it to the support of the stand. Okay, and now again just choose the group command, select all three figures and you can just group it so that the figure will get unified in this way. So flag will be like this and the figure get prepared. Okay, so you can zoom it and see.
Ajay, what is the diameter of the base that we have kept?
So 20,20.
So we'll have to be a little careful of printing it and see that we don't print it with hollow kind of a
Yes, sir.
setting.
Yes, sir.
To print it with a filled kind of a setting, because I am not too sure if 20 by 20 will hold the flag, just in case. Although it
Yes,
is
sir.
a very light flag that will print,
Yes, sir.
but while printing we'll have to see the base.
Yes, sir.
We don't print it in a hollow pattern.
Hollow pattern. Yes, sir.
So children, we are just discussing a little bit of structural details, all right? So we don't want our flag to just keep on falling, right? We want the flag to stay on the table.
Yeah. So
there are-
that this can.
So we have to print it in such a way that the base gets printed in a heavier, format, and the rest of the things gets printed in a little lighter format.
Little lighter form. Yes, sir.
So we'll see if we get a chance, if we are able to give it in the morning for printing this flag. Probably in the closing ceremony, we'll show you what we printed in the school lab. We'll show you a short video of it. All right.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Also, students, you can change the dimensions. Sorry, base also. So you can just make it with the tube, and or you can just make it with the dice one diamond. You can also choose the diamond like this. Really quite good to see. So you can just choose it and make it black color, or you can select the dark one. Okay, so like this you can just change the dimensions also. So like 40,40, so the base will be like this. Okay, so you can just make it flatten. If you want to make it flatten, so you can just change this one, so it will be get like this, flattened on the surface. You can select according to your needs. You can just make the base according to yourself also.
And I think, children, you do understand that you can do some beautification wherever you feel like, right? You can do some beautification at the top portion of the flag where you can put a small spear or something like that. It's up to you. I mean, there are a lot of beautifications you can do to the flag pole, to the base. There are a lot of things that you can do.
So okay, so now I will tell you how to send your images or send your designs.
I'll just take a pause. I think some of the students have already completed. I mean, I just wanted to understand what is the status with the rest.
Okay.
2 students posted that they have completed it. What about the rest, children? Are you all done till this part?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, Akash has also said yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. Fine. Fine, Ajay.
Okay. So students, now we will learn about how to send your images. Okay, so you have to just first write the change. You can just give the topic to your figures, like national flag, and just simply write your name, like I am writing Ajay. You can, okay, so you can just write simply your name also on from the topic. So simply we have three options here: import, export, and send to. If you want to import any figure here, ठीक है ना, जैसे आपने कोई फिगर अगर आप लाना चाहते हैं 3D फिगर, एंड यू वांट टू चेंज इट्स dimensions according to yourself, so you can just import here from here. And now if I want to export it, okay, so you can just choose the options and include everything in the design. Okay, so everything in the design, sir, just select obj file. You have to select the obj file. Okay, so जैसे ही आप obj फाइल में क्लिक करेंगे, it will get downloaded. Okay, so आपकी जो फाइल है वो यहाँ पे डाउनलोड हो जाएगी. So it will be in a zip file and you have to send this file. Clear students?
Yes, sir.
आपको एक्सपोर्ट में
Yes,
क्लिक
sir.
करना है. एक्सपोर्ट में जैसे ही आप क्लिक करेंगे, आपके पास ऑप्शंस आएंगे 3: OBJ, STL और GLTF. सो आपको OBJ फाइल में क्लिक करना है. जैसे ही आप क्लिक करेंगे, आपके पास फाइल आ जाएगी, और जो फाइल आपके पास आएगी, ये फाइल आप सेंड करेंगे. क्लियर है? सो इट इज इजी टू यूज इन अ 3D प्रिंटर. ठीक है ना. सो 3D प्रिंटर्स में हम OBJ फाइल से प्रिंट को निकाल सकते हैं. सो सेकंड थिंग इज, आप जैसे सिर्फ इमेज सेंड करना चाहते हैं, लाइक आई वांट टू सेंड द इमेज ऑफ दिस. ठीक है, तो आप क्या करेंगे, इसको ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करेंगे सेंड टू, एंड यू हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक द ऑप्शंस डाउनलोड. तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन दिख रहा है डाउनलोड का, आप सिंपली डाउनलोड कर लेंगे और ये इमेज आपकी PNG फॉर्मेट में डाउनलोड हो जाएगी, एंड यू कैन जस्ट सेंड दिस फिगर. क्लियर है? आप ये वाली फिगर को सेंड कर सकते हैं. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes.
ओके, द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज, हम एक और चीज कर सकते हैं. राइट, मैं इसको बैक किया. क्लियर है? इस पे एक चीज जो ऑप्शंस रह गए हैं वो है हमारे कॉपी और पेस्ट के. सो कैसे हम कॉपी और पेस्ट के ऑप्शंस को यूज करेंगे, आई विल जस्ट टेल यू. लाइक
Hariom
सो
sir.
लाइक
Hariom sir.
I
Sir, can we also create other models and send them to you?
yes, repeat.
Can we send other models to you?
Yes, you can send your creativity. Okay, so basically we will focus on the national flag. ठीक है ना, नेशनल फ्लैग में फोकस करेंगे. If you have more models which are creative, you can send. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we will send you the Google form after the sessions. Google form होंगे, and in the Google form आपने images upload करके देनी है. क्लियर है? और जो फाइल है वो आप या तो मेल आईडी में दे दीजिए. ठीक है ना, जो मेल आईडी आपको प्रोवाइड कराई गई है उस मेल आईडीज में आप फाइल भेज देंगे, OBJ फाइल, या फिर आप व्हाट्सएप में उन OBJ फाइल्स को सेंड कर लीजिएगा. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो इमेज, जो नेशनल फ्लैग आप ड्रॉ करेंगे वो आप गूगल फॉर्म से भेज देंगे आज इमेज में. क्लियर है? इमेज जो सेंड करना सिखाई थी हमने. So basically,
just to sorry Ajay, just to interrupt. So students,
Yeah.
after the session, we'll be sending you a form, a feedback form. There are just 6 or 7 questions over there, and towards the end, you have to upload the flag that you have made today. All right. So you have to upload a OBJ file over there. Fine. So that is the last thing that you need to upload, so that we will be able to download your file from there and select which ones are the best that can be printed. Fine.
yeah. So okay students, so right now we will use the copy and paste command. So you have to select any one design you have made. कोई भी आपने जो डिजाइन बनाया है, just simply select it. हमने यहाँ पे select किया and just copy it. Okay, so Control C, you can just simply use the Control C command, and Control C हमने किया and then go to the back one. ठीक है ना, आप अपने जो प्रीवियस पेज में होंगे वहां पे चलेंगे and just select the new design. फिर like create a new design. Okay, so you can just select it, and here you can just paste that figure also. ठीक है ना, जो आपने पहले से प्रीसेट कर रखा है वो फिगर आप यहाँ पे बना सकते हैं like this. Okay, so you have to just click on the control V, that is paste, and जो आप different parts हैं वो आप एक वर्क प्लेन में दोबारा से लेके आ सकते हैं. Okay, so this is the copy and paste command. Okay, so this is duplicate. Yes, so this is delete one, this is undo, redo, and this helps to visible you the different views, front, top, and bottom. Okay, this is group, ungroup, alignment, and mirror. Okay, so this is import, export, and send to. Okay, so these are the 3D figures, and work plane is work plane like this, where we have to just design the 3D diagrams. And this is ruler. With the use of ruler also, you can just simply just click it here and simply click on the figure. You will get the dimensions of each and everything. Okay, सभी dimensions rulers help करेगा आपको दिखाने के लिए like this. Is it okay? So if you want to cross the ruler, you can just cross it. And just I'm going to the previous one, that is our national flag. Okay. So if there is a complicated design, अगर आप वहाँ पे complicated design है, so you can just draw it. आप उसको 3D डिजाइन कर सकते हैं different parts को, and then you can just copy it. आप उसको copy करेंगे और एक particular figure में आप उसको paste करके डायग्राम को easily आप 3D मॉडल को easily compact way में बना सकते हैं. Clear student? You can also just use the collaboration with the other student also. So this is the options. यहाँ पे एक options है, invite people to design with you. Okay, so you can just invite the other people or other your friends, your colleagues, so that you 2 or 3 can design a diagram or 3D model with each other. Okay, so आप एक साथ भी इसमें designing कर सकते हैं, individual अगर नहीं करेंगे. So these options are for the work plane. So this is the 3D designs, and you can visit to block 1 also. So this is the block of bricks options, and this is the login ID. So students, if you have any questions, you can just ask. Okay, so
the students, we have wrapped up the session a bit early because you were all good in completing what we wanted to achieve. We had kept a half an hour buffer in case some of you were struggling with the design that we were trying to show. So now we have a good space open for any questions or any doubts that you have or anything that you want to ask. So just to tell you, tomorrow we have a 20-minute assessment first. Okay, so as soon as you join at 4 p.m., we'll share the link, and you can attempt the assessment while being online. Fine. And after the assessment is done, we'll be asking or we'll be showcasing any videos that you have already made as part of the closing ceremony. All right. And then we'll wrap up the session. And if we have printed the national flag, if you're able to complete it properly tomorrow, we'll show it to you also.
yeah.
So we'll show you everything. So please ask students any questions. Please go ahead and ask.
No, sir.
Okay, one thing more students, if you are using the Tinkercad on your mobile phone, just use Chrome browser. Okay, so Chrome browser में आपने use करना है and select the desktop site from the settings. Okay, so desktop sites से आपने settings को select करना है. Okay, clear students? So you have to select a desktop site from the
Okay, sir.
settings, and I think it will get little bit थोड़ा सा हैंग करेगा आपको. Tinkercad थोड़ा सा little bit थोड़ा हैवी सॉफ्टवेयर है, सो थोड़ा सा मोबाइल फोन में हैंग करेगा. सो यू हैव टू बी विद योर पेशेंस. ठीक है, तो जो कोई भी फिगर आप जैसे ड्रैग आउट करेंगे तो हो सकता है कि वो थोड़ा सा जूम आउट हो जाए या जूम इन हो जाए। क्लियर है? सो आपको थोड़ा सा उसमें पेशेंस के साथ आपको काम करना पड़ेगा। ओके।
Ajay, if we don't have any more queries from students, then we can wrap up with the national anthem. But we can wait because we have time. If anyone has any
Yes, sir.
question, if anyone wants to
Yes.
ask anything particular,
Yeah.
are there any confusions about tomorrow's plan? No. Okay, we are good then, Ajay. We can wrap it up.
Yeah. Okay.
So students will all rise for the national anthem, and then we'll close the session. All right. And please keep on tinkering. Thank you so much for all the good designs that you're sending to us.
Yes.
So let's all stand up and rise for the national anthem.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you, everyone. Thanks. Thank you for joining the session. And we'll see you all tomorrow.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.